or good afternoon, or good evening, depending on the point of view. Oh, everyone, welcome to another stream. Gonna be a bit short today because it's late. It's a bit of spontaneous session, so it'll be 1 hour here. It's gonna be short, so I'm not reading chat, to be honest. I'm also not very into that. I don't want to talk that much, but I still want to, interact, not talk. Yeah, anyway, so quick reminder before we start, let's not waste time. You can follow the development of the project here for when I create a demo. I upload a demo. Oh my god, I cannot find any good words today. I need to focus. Here there are some useful information. The follow button should be here. You will find our stream here in this channel. And here it's a private channel. You will find gameplay, but also the same devlog. So it depends what you want to expose yourself to. I guess we can start, and please like, subscribe and comment. So let's go. Right. I honestly don't even remember what I was doing last time. I haven't streamed in a few days, but I'm sure I have some notes somewhere. Draw action bar. Let's open Rider. Yeah, of course. What? I think I probably pushed something here. Is that? This one. Yeah. Let's take the notes. So draw action bar. Okay, I guess I have very clear instructions by myself. So thanks Mario for the update. Let's start. So first thing is I need draw action bar. Oh yeah, I renamed it, right. So here, yeah, I have a bit of a mess because I have old code and new code mixed in. Which is fine for the moment. I just need to do refactoring. Hello? Why are you doing that? someone explain me? So decouple inspector from action bar. Okay, so I don't remember. So here you can see, show you to you. I have some quick notes about what to do, and I will trust the fact that what I wrote has a plan, that it's an actual plan. So I'm just gonna start and see where this leads me. So first of all, I want to check, where is this being used? It's right here and used here. All right, not a big deal. So based on my note, I should remove this and have object allowed action instead. This get one colic. Oh, basically, yeah, news. I'm trying to get into game dev. Probably, I mean, hopefully moving to Sweden. So let's see. What the future is gonna be. I know it's difficult, but it is what it is. So I need to fix. Alright, so I need to change the three classes. Let's start from this. It should be easier. Really? Oh, because it's a scriptable object. God damn it. Why do I need this rig model? Update rig. I guess I have no choice but to pass the transfer. I guess. I mean, if I pass the transfer, then does it even make sense to do what I'm doing? Canada, yeah. Select event. Unlucky. Well, so what I can actually do is have a command instead of an event. But we need a better plan, so I cannot do what I wanted to do. So I kind of like that this is readable, you know, unit selected event, boom, update rig. It's very clear. And sure, I can have a command like update rig command, but that doesn't give any context, I guess. Why do I even do this? I do unit clicked event, raised, unit selected event. What? Why do I need, why do I need two events that are the same? Excuse me. Spaghetti code from 2023. Let's go. Let me guess. Yeah, that's the same. It's a copy paste. So I mean, I guess the unit clicked event and the unit selected event, they may be different. But if it's clicked, it's selected at the same time. This is for the camera. Not really sure. Let's assume they're different. Although I know that clicking what? Clicking right click or left click? That's a bit confusing. So let's actually investigate this spaghetti code a little bit. Who is raising this? Exactly, yeah. This is, yeah. Then they are the same. That's the same event with a different name. What the fuck? Unit clicked event. Rest in peace. But it may be not that bad after all. Maybe that helps a little bit with the refactoring. Why? Because then I can just remove one of them and fix the code by consequence. So I guess it doesn't really matter which one I'm deleting. It's the same, like amount of effort. I guess I'm gonna delete unit selected event. I think it's probably the best decision. Let's do that. So now inevitably we are gonna have errors. No? Errors? I summon you. What? Heck? I'm confused. Clicked event. Wait, how is that even possible? Why don't I have errors? I don't get it. Oh, yeah, now it, yeah, they are here. Let's fix them. One by one. So here we have -1. When it comes to here, let's check here first. So this is gonna be a bit different. Because I remove this. Then this was used here. Right. Just making sure. So if I'm removing this, so I removed this unit selected event, which was unit selected event, which was used here. this became clicked, and this became clicked. So it still functions. Yeah, should work. Now, now and even then I'm gonna call it, no, well, let's keep it like that. Update action bar. So I want to remove this. Because this is still used. So what is this telling me? It deselect that event. It's used in 3 places. Yeah. I don't even think this should be removed. Why should I remove this? I'm a bit confused. Oh, it's raised with null. Okay. Okay. But it's raised once and it's raised with null. What the heck? So which means this could be empty, I guess. Object left click controller. Oh my god, what a shitty name. I don't even know what this is. Get mouse button down. Okay. All right. So let's do some cleanup. Remove all of this. And this breaks, and it's fine. Wait, this isn't even an event, it's a command. What are you talking about? Equals null? What? It's always null. What do you mean? It's always null. I think this is like old code. I have done a refactoring and not done it correctly. What about here? This is a ship inspector panel manager. When I deselect, then I okay, bro. Bro. Let's call things the way they should be. What about this action bar updated? So this is for the ship inspector and this is for the action bar. Okay. Makes sense. What doesn't make sense is why I marked this as obsolete. Because it is not dead code. But I was completely burned out in the last video, so I'm not surprised. So this refresh is another story. So this is obsolete for sure. This is here only for backward compatibility. 100%. Okay. I'm completely lost. What was I working on sending commandos? Because like it was a cascade refactoring, so now I'm completely lost about the next steps. We do have this, calling this. So it's called here, here, and here. Wait, action. Alright. Update action bar command is raised in commandos button behavior, and interesting, so I do set dispatch. Right, so this is the model, and what I'm doing here is, oh yeah, there are two separate things, yeah, okay. And this is only taken here, okay. Okay. Like containing event function and what? Oh, okay. Wait a second, why? The market says are obsolete. It's obsolete because I call this in two places, here and here. One is update action bar command. I'm not sure why I would call this these methods specifically obsolete. Unit clicked event. Sure. Looks like they are doing different things. Date action by command and I don't know. Maybe I marked it obsolete because this was obsolete. I guess we will never know. But I don't think it's worth investigating because I've already done the job of having one method for both, like to reuse the code where necessary. So let's keep it as it is. Oof. No. Now what? Oh yeah, there was that bug. That bug about clicking. Yes, we are not done. Well, the tutorial is broken right now. I forgot about it. So let's review this and then let's work on that. Reset. Oof. Looking at this code hurts my brain. Okay, well, what did I do here? I've removed, so I've renamed. I'll rename. And then I'm getting distracted. I was daydreaming. So yeah, general refactoring. So I remember so let's test that everything still works. Okay, so now I expect, yeah, this button here to return and nothing happens. Then I click here and nothing happens. And this is super confusing. So there is something broken about... Let's start from the button, shall we? So it's probably... I think that the button is working actually, it's just that it's not triggering. So what's supposed to happen is that when I click that button, then the commando comes back, and then at that point when the shuttle docks to the main ship, then those commandos buttons should be removed, and this is appropriate behavior. So the button is working, but the clicking of the button is not leading to the commando unit going back, and this is because yeah, I refactor the code, so there is really nothing there triggering anything. So but it shouldn't be difficult, because I don't think I need to write tons of code. The code is there already. I just need to hook the functionality. Dispatch. I need to deal with this later. Update. Okay, so you know what? Let's go the other way around. I have the canvas and player. Action bar, border, action bar. And we have dispatch commando return button. So this is the new implementation using action bar set to dispatch commando. Yeah. And then we have this. What does it do? What do you do, my friend? Tell me your secret. Raise order commando return command. I got. Order commando return command. I don't even check the date. I've done it. I already know it's gonna be 3 years ago. Order commando return command. So commando return command is enough. There is no need to repetition. And yeah. So let's see. So what? Right click. So the first question is, okay, let's just return commando blah blah blah. Okay, commando return command. It's used here. Unity event, I event, listener. So this I probably have used only a couple of times. I don't even remember when I wrote this code because I never use it. (2024), so 2 years ago. And yeah, this is exactly the pattern I've seen in a 2017 workshop. It was actually a couple of days ago. Yeah, this means that I must have this listener somewhere. Yeah, I really need to do a lot of refactoring. Yeah, it's not a problem per se. I actually enjoy it. It's just that it takes time. So order commando return commando. Yeah, okay. Can we rename it? So we rename it commando return command. Unity, you're so slow. Please fix your performance issues. All right. So when this event is called, then what happens is we will go through that in a moment. Coming back soon. Right, I'm back. And it's already dinner time. Anyway, let's finish the analysis before terminating the stream. So what I'm doing here, not sure why I have these like random references, but okay. So actually maybe Raider, yeah, Raider is always king. So it's used only here. This is step 6 in the tutorial. Okay, so when I destroy the door, the conversation starts. I enable a button. Okay, maybe it makes more sense like this. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, whatever. And I activate this. What happens when why do I have 2 of them? Huh? Commando returned event listener. Commando returned command listener. Oh, I see. So when I receive the command, I disable the button. Yeah, so we already observed this behavior and it's okay. But when the commando return event commando return, and well, when it really returns, I spawn that thing. Alright, but this is unrelated. So the problem is that this what we have seen right now is correct. So there is nothing to fix. So the problem is the button itself. Yeah. So we said that raise order commando return button. So it's raised there and handled. The problem is that there is nothing handling it. So what are we talking about here? I'm raising it. This is I event. Yeah, I need to make a new class just to handle this. So let's take some more. Oh my god, this is so it's become unreadable. To do but I have a very long list of to-dos. To-dos that are unrelated to what I'm doing right now. Let's remove stuff. Okay, so what do I need to do? Let's be generic. So how do I spawn need to spawn commandos in the shipwreck and make it back to the mothership. My question mark. Or do I know who owns the models? Do I know where it should start? What do I know? Yeah, you guys should watch Unite 2017. I think it's called, and it's about programming with. It's about scriptable object-based programming. It's very interesting. You can do a lot with scriptable object. I probably understood only half of it, but I mean, I've understood it. The problem is that how do I use it myself? Or is it even the right fit for my project? That's what I'm wondering. Yeah. Good. So yeah, it was quite short. In fact, it is what it is. All right. So where are we? Quick reminder: you can follow. There should be a follow button here. This is the itch.io page of the game. Some info here, including the YouTube link. This is the official page of the game, and you will find all the devlogs here. You will find the devlogs also in my private channel. But also like gameplays here. Yeah, please like, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, until the next time, maybe later, maybe tomorrow. Let's see. I'm very busy with this thing about Sweden. Yeah, we will see. Bye bye.